beyond marks and beyond money, what are the key factors that a student should deeply evaluate before choosing a career?
Okay. So I understand. See, marks are important, but they are not the deciding factor for a particular career. You cannot judge if my child is doing academically well in a particular subject, he can be good at this particular profession. So other than marks, we need to assess their personality, their interest. So personality traits also play a very important role. So for example, a child is I want to quote some example. Okay, like we have given example of engineers. Maths अच्छा है, engineer बन जा. But you have not seen the personality. A person who is very extrovert, very socially oriented, they want to go out, chill. So do you think that person will like sitting at one place and doing coding, coding, coding? So this is a complete misfit, right? So that is why we need to assess that how is my child's personality. Whether my child is extrovert, my child is introvert, whether my child is judgmental, thoughtful hai, or very empathetic. So this is how we come to conclusion after a lot of discussion, and parents are the best judge in such case. They understand their child better, right? So so basically this was the question other than marks. So we need to see their personality, aptitude and interest. Aptitude is basically how the child is, where the child is naturally good at. Personality, you know, I mean, a person can be, supposing we do a lot of psychometric tests, your child, you feel that, I gave you an example, you feel that the room should be neat and clean, very tidy, but the child doesn't like it that way. They feel comfortable when it is cluttered. So there is nothing wrong in it. I mean, that's the personality. You will come and turn on the light. Why it is so dim? Why, how can you study in that? But that is the personality of a child. So you need to understand. Every child is different. You want a proper setup for your child. This is the table and chair you need to sit. But the child wants to lie down and study. So that's completely okay as long as they are able to focus. So you need to understand. So, and marks are not everything. Nowadays industry judges employees based on their skills, not only just degree.
So interests, skills, aptitude, lifestyle, and financial realities. These are the factors which we need to consider.
Environmental
also,
factors.
Yeah, right. Environmental factors and also family dynamics, I would say. The thought process that every family has their own belief system, has their own thought process. In some families, being an air hostess is absolutely fine, but in some families, it might not be okay. So considering all these factors together, and majorly everything has been covered by Sonali ma'am. So considering all these factors together, I guess if the career is selected, that would be best suited career for that particular child.
So I'd like to add one point over here. There are a lot of companies these days who have stopped asking for resumes.
Yes.
They are not judging you on your degrees. They will judge you on the basis of what task is given to you in the interview or in the group discussion or whatever is going, and based on that they will pick the candidate. The degree does not matter. So as she absolutely correctly said that running behind marks is not the right way of looking at I think that's not the only parameter that you need to focus on. Overall development of your skills and your personalities is something which you need to focus on.
So building your profile along with your academic performance is equally important.
You're snatching away my question.